Detroit garage. Getting some more progress done on the little Jimmy here. Got an exhaust set up on him with a flex pipe, and it's all the exhaust is made now. It quieted down by as much as half of what it was before. So I'll kind of do a before and an after startup and run around for you. I've done another one where the pipe just came out here like this. So the pipe's finished, and we'll see how hot he gets too, because before he wasn't burning the paint off the manifold. He was running so cold with an open manifold. I've taken the fan off, and we'll see if he runs any warmer. I also put on an hour meter so I can keep track of the hours on him. And I'm going to replace this gauge. This is a pressure gauge off a Buddha, and I'm going to change that out for a new one. But we'll start him up and see how he performs. Yeah, so I'm also going to take the thermostat out and check, because there's a little bit of warmth on these hoses. If the thermostat's closed, I shouldn't have any heat in here at all, really. So I'm going to investigate that as well. Drain some coolant out and then pull this off and make sure that thermostat's working correctly. Because it's super cold. I mean, that should have warmed it up a little bit at least, but it's it's cold to the touch. Okay. Well, guys, I think it could be the thermostat. This radiator's getting nice and toasty. I've run it around for about 25 minutes or so, and the radiator's at 155. It should be stone cold if the thermostat's closed. So I'm going to investigate the thermostat, make sure it's operating correctly. All right, guys, I swapped out the thermostat for a 180 degree thermostat, and I tested the old thermostat. Although it looks closed, there's still a considerable amount of air getting past it, whereas this one, there's nothing getting past. So I filled the radiator up, coolant system's full, so we'll start up little Jimmy here and see if he comes up to temp any faster. So he's stone cold. Well, he's warm to the touch, but he's not registering anything on the temp gauge. So we'll try it out, see. Well, there you have it, guys. I think we got to the root cause of this issue. It was partly the back pressure, no back pressure to start with, and a fairly loose thermostat. So I put a 180 degree thermostat in it, and it took 20 minutes to get it to open. And yeah, so now I'm gonna buy an electric fan, put the sensor here for the fan, and have that come on at 185, I suppose, 190, shut off at 180 or whatever I can find. So that and an overflow tank, a liter overflow tank for the expansion in this. And yeah, be good. Well, there you have it, guys. We got to the root cause of this thermostat, and we made a lot of noise. So again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.